Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a fan of Hot Topic's awesome pop culture merch, you're probably excited about their rewards program. Today, we're breaking down how to use Hot Topic rewards online in 2025. This step-by-step guide will help you redeem those hard-earned points quickly and easily, so you can snag that perfect graphic tee or collectible without spending extra cash. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Hot Topic account. If you don't, head to the Hot Topic website and sign up. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, look for the Rewards tab, usually found in the top menu or your account dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Next, check your rewards balance. In 2025, Hot Topic has upgraded their system for even smoother navigation, so you'll see your points total right away. Remember, points might expire, so keep an eye on the dates listed. Now, browse the site and add items to your cart just like you normally would. Whether it's apparel, accessories, or home goods, pick out what you love. When you're ready to check out, look for the rewards redemption option on the payment page. Enter the amount of points you want to use. Hot Topic's 2025 system lets you apply points directly to reduce your total cost. Double-check everything to ensure you're getting the best deal, then confirm your order. You'll get a confirmation email instantly, and your rewards will be deducted from your account. A few quick tips. Always update your profile for the latest promotions, and if you run into issues, Hot Topic's chat support is super responsive in 2025. That's it. Simple, right? By following these steps, you'll be maximizing your rewards and saving money on your next shopping spree. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and shopping tips. See you in the next video.